rise 1 foot or less, then around 2 feet after. The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 nautical miles, Tampa Bay waters, until 12:15 p.m. At 11:11 a.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Tarpon Springs to near Indian Rocks Beach to 8 nautical miles southwest of Johns Pass, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Getty Bridge, Clearwater Beach, Old Tampa Bay, Howard Franklin Bridge, Madeira Beach Reef, Egmont Key, Cockroach Bay, Indian Rocks Beach, Sunshine Skyway Bridge, St. Pete Beach, Dunedin, Courtney Kemble Causeway, Anna Maria Island, Treasure Island Reef, Clearwater Pass, Passagrille Channel, St. Pete Beach Reef, Southwest Channel, Port Manatee Reef, and Tampa Bay. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Your coastal waters for